Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to SkillBakery, where we explore cutting edge technologies that are shaping the future. Today, we have an exciting topic on our agenda: Supabase. If you are a developer or someone interested in the world of databases, you are in for a treat. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of Supabase. So, what exactly is Supabase? Supabase is an open source platform that provides developers with a set of tools to build scalable and real time applications with a strong focus on databases. It is designed to simplify the development process by offering a full stack solution for building applications, handling data storage, authentication, and serverless functions. Key features of Supabase are real time data synchronization. Supabase allows real-time synchronization of data, enabling instant updates across all connected clients. This is crucial for applications that require live collaboration or dynamic content updates. Supabase provides robust authentication and authorization features, making it easier for developers to implement secure user authentication in their applications. This ensures that only authorized users can access specific data and features. Supabase simplifies API development by generating RESTful APIs automatically based on the database schema. Additionally, it supports serverless functions, allowing developers to run server side logic without managing the infrastructure. Supabase comes with a user friendly dashboard that allows developers to create and manage databases effortlessly. It supports PostgreSQL, a powerful and widely used open source relational database. Supabase is versatile and can be used for various applications, including real time collaboration tools, scalable web and mobile applications, and projects requiring secure data storage and retrieval. With its cloud based infrastructure, Supabase offers scalability to handle growing data sets and user bases. It ensures high performance by optimizing database queries and providing caching mechanisms. Supabase is open source, encouraging community contributions and ensuring transparency. The active community provides support through forums, tutorials, and documentation, making it easier for developers to adopt and integrate Supabase into their projects. So, why use Supabase? First of all, Supabase simplifies the development process by offering a comprehensive solution that covers various aspects of application development. This allows developers to focus on building features rather than dealing with complex infrastructure setup. For applications that require real time updates and collaboration, Superbase's real time data synchronization is a compelling feature. It enables developers to create responsive and interactive user experiences. Scalability and security. Superbase's cloud based infrastructure ensures scalability, making it suitable for projects of any size. Its built in authentication and authorization mechanisms enhance the security of applications, protecting sensitive data. Superbase is designed with developers in mind, providing an intuitive dashboard, well documented APIs, and a supportive community. This makes it easy for both beginners and experienced developers to get started and build robust applications. So, to summarize, Superbase is a powerful tool for developers looking to build scalable, real time applications without the complexity of managing multiple services. Its features, combined with ease of use and community support, make it an attractive choice for those seeking a robust and efficient development platform. Now, we'll be making use of Superbase along with Next.js and Stripe to create an awesome project.